What about the nature of metal oxide?
NaOH.
Metal oxides are basic in nature. Okay. The nature of metal oxide is basic in nature or amphoteric nature. Again, all bases cannot dissolve in water. All base will not dissolve in the water. Only few base will dissolve in the water to form hydroxides. Okay, that is called as an alkalis. So only these will form the hydroxides. Clear now? Next, non-metal oxides. They are acidic in nature and neutral nature. Neutral is only one. You can take CO, carbon monoxide. Remaining all are acidic in nature and all
Sir, one
dissolve in
question,
water.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in ZNO plus HCl, how will we get water, sir? Water is formed by H and OH, right? So in ZNO and HCl, how will we
ZNO
get
plus
water?
2HCl gives us ZnCl2 plus H2O.
Yeah, but for H2 we need OH also, right?
H2O.
No need. If H2 combines with O, it will eventually form H2O.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
got it. Thank you. Yes, sir.
So in the first case, what is the base? Everyone knows NaOH. Okay. What is an acid? H2CO3. Carbonic acid. Anybody has doubts in this? Anybody has any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Base is NaOH, acid is the H2CO3. Anybody has any doubts?
Sir, there is only one hydrogen.
One hydrogen is there, right?
Then how did you get NaOH and H2C?
CO3 will show -2, right?
Yes.
HCO3 is the -1. Hydrogen is the +1. When you combine these two, you will get H2CO3.
Yes.
Okay. In this, what is the base? MgOH.
MgOH taken twice.
Second twice. What is the acid?
H2SO4.
H2SO4. Any doubts in this? If anybody has any doubts, you can stop me and ask. Keep a message. I will explain it clearly below. Any doubts in second one?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, actually, like these are only magnesium sulfate, right? Like how they are divided into magnesium was taken twice and H2SO4 again.
Take MgSO4. It is a salt. What is the name? Magnesium.
Magnesium sulfate.
The first name of the salts come from the base. Okay. Second name of the salt come from the acid.
Yes. Acids.
The first name coming from the base,
But
right?
sir, in acetic acid, you have
Acetic acid.
acetic acid. Acetate comes before the metals and all.
Acetic acid may CH plus CO minus will come. H plus will come from the acid ion.
Yeah, acetic acid. Yeah.
Yeah. If you
So,
take
but if
example
you
like
combine with
CH3,
sodium and all,
COO,
it's
Na,
like CH3COH.
it is reverse here.
Yeah,
acetic
like
acid
that.
base. Do it.
Yes, sir.
It will come for the acid.
So
it will
over
come for
here
the
you
base.
have acetate after before.
Yeah, and only in the acetate it will be different. Reverse will come. Good. Okay, so it will come from the base. So magnesium will show +2 and base is OH minus. So it will form MgOH taken twice. Acid now sulfate SO4 minus 2. Acid now you have to add the H plus always. Cross 2 1 H2SO4. Clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubts still?
Clear. No, sir.
Next one, copper carbonate. What is the base? Here important property is
So how do I
Copper
do that?
oxide.
copper
Copper.
carbonate. When you write the original chemical equation, it will form like this: CuO plus H2CO3 will form the CuCO3 plus H2O. This is the actual original equation. This is the base. This is the acid. Why I am writing the CuO only? Because it will not dissolve in the water. Understanding? Clear now? These are metal oxide. Metal oxides are basic in nature. So few metal oxides will not dissolve in the water. So write them in the original format only. So base is what? CuO. What is the acid? H2CO3. Understand or not this one? Is it clear for everyone or not? Hello. Yeah. Is it clear or not, everyone? There is some network issues there.
Yes.
Clear? There is a original chemical equation for this. Similarly, if you take the zinc oxide, zinc, what is the thing I have given? Zinc chloride. So what is the chemical equation for this? ZnO plus HCl will form ZnCl2 plus
HCl, ZnCl2 plus
H2O. Okay, so in this, what is the acid?
S.
This is the acid and this is the base. Okay. ZnCl2. Out of this, ZnO is the base and HCl is the acid. Here, all the five.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, why are we taking CuO and not CuH2?
Because CuO will not dissolve in the water. It is not the alkali. All the bases will not dissolve in the water, right? Only few bases will dissolve in the water. So it is a metal
Yes, sir.
oxide, does not dissolve in the water, so only it will exist in the form of CuO only. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Remaining any doubts?
So how do I know for a salt I need to take metal oxide only?
No, when you come for the D block elements are there, right? In the periodic table. D block elements
Yes, sir.
are metals. Their oxide you take directly in the metal oxide format only. Like what I said, zinc, iron, copper, all these are D block elements only. So take them based in the frame of metal oxide only. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Everything clear for everyone, or still anybody has doubts? Sorry, Shreyan.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Shall we go to next salts? Shall we continue the topic?
Yes.
In the last class, we studied up to the baking powder, baking soda, and the bleaching powder, caustic soda, sodium chloride. So today we'll start with the washing soda. What is the formula of washing soda?
Na2CO3.
Na2CO3 dot NH2.
I don't know what is the number also. Washing soda. Formula is
Sodium bicarbonate.
Na2CO3 dot.
But it's sodium carbonate.
Na2CO3 dot NH2. Sodium carbonate
Sorry.
decahydrate.
So preparation of washing soda includes 3 steps. Okay. Step number 1. Manufacturing of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Manufacture of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaCl plus H2O plus.
Sir, it's called sodium carbonate. No?
No, I'm telling you. First, we'll manufacturing of sodium hydrogen carbonate will do. Then we'll do the decomposition. Then we'll add the water molecules. These are the 3 steps. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll take the sodium bicarbonate. Then we'll do the thermal decomposition of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it will form NaHCO3 upon thermal decomposition to form Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Then what is the name of this? Na2CO3?
Yes, sir.
Sodium
Sodium.
carbonate.
Sodium carbonate, but common name is soda ash. Na2CO3 common name is what?
Soda.
Soda ash. Now if you add the water molecule to the Na2CO3 only, it will form the washing soda. Okay. Step 3. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate. Now we'll take the soda ash, then we'll add 10 water molecules to form Na2CO3, 10 H2O. This is the washing soda. What is the real name?
Sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10. Hydrate means water. Clear now? What are the 3 steps in the preparation of washing soda? Are any doubts? No response.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Okay. See, washing soda formula is what? Na2CO3 10H2O. That is a washing soda actually. This is a washing soda. Now, if you want to prepare the washing soda, it involves 3 steps. First step, second step,
Sir, is it,
third step.
can we do this for other carbonates also?
Yeah, we can edit from other carbonates also because baking soda is this one, right? But one more thing is, there
Yes,
will be
sir.
other carbonates which are not dissolved in the water and all that problem also will come. Some carbonates will dissolve in the water, some carbonates will not dissolve in the water. Okay, not for all the carbonates you can use this method. So washing soda involves 3 steps. First step, preparation of sodium bicarbonate. It is nothing but the baking soda equation only, right? Preparation of baking soda only, right? Adding of NaCl to the H2O to NH3 and CO2 to form the baking soda and NH4Cl.
Sir, what's the formula of baking powder?
Baking powder means baking soda plus edible acid.
Okay.
Edible acid can be tartaric acid. This is the formula. You don't have the specific formula. This is the equation. Okay. Now preparation of washing soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then we'll take this baking soda and we'll heat. This is a heating. Triangle symbol na heat. It will form the soda ash by removing of carbon dioxide gas and water molecules. Now, if you add the water molecules to the 10 water molecules to the soda ash, it will form a washing soda. That's all. Okay. You have one more name.
Sir, why we added only Na2SO3 plus only 10H2O? Why do we?
Because washing soda should contain 10 H2O water molecules, right? Compulsory. Washing soda should always contain 10 water
Yes, sir.
molecules with it. You can call it as a anhydrous. Anhydrous means without water molecules.
So if there
Anhydrous
is
sodium
9
carbonate.
water molecules, so then it is not washing soda.
No. Without water molecules, it's not a washing soda. It is soda ash only.
So with 9
With the 9 also, it's not the washing soda.
or less than 10.
Yeah, less than 10 also, it's not the washing soda. Again, there is a deficiency of water molecules, right?
Yes.
Compulsory 10 will be there. 10 should be required there.
So if there is an increase in the number like 11 or 12, greater than 10.
Then it will form some other thing.
Yes.
Okay. It will form
Yes.
some other compounds only. It's not the washing soda. Then what is the use of this washing soda? What are the uses? It is used for softening of hot water. Second one, for washing purpose in the laundry. And as a cleaning agent. for domestic purpose. Third one, in the manufacturing of borax. Borax will use in the glass.
Sir, in the first point, what is after hard, sir?
Water.
Hard water. It also used in the textile industry.
Glass and soap industry also.
Borax only will use the glass. So it is used in the manufacturing of borax. Borax will be used in the preparation of glass. Okay, so these are the use of washing soda. Fine. Any doubts in this? Next one is the
So
plaster
1
of
minute.
Paris. Want to copy?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Done.
Next, plaster of Paris. So we'll prepare the plaster of Paris from the gypsum. So this CaSO4 dot 2H2O. So at exactly 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. So gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Upon heating at 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin will form CaSO4 dot of H2O plus 1.5 water molecule will be separated. Gypsum is the plaster of Paris. Then tell me where we'll use the gypsum. Sorry, plaster of Paris.
Sir, for fractures.
Compulsory you have to maintain only 100 degrees Celsius. If you heat above 100 degrees Celsius or if you heat below 100 degrees Celsius also, the amount of water molecule removal will be different. If you heat above 100 degrees Celsius now, complete 2 water molecules will come out. If you heat below 100 degrees Celsius now, only 1 water molecule will come out. Understanding? So in the plaster of Paris, exactly half water molecule only required for us. So exactly at 100 degrees Celsius only you have to heat. Understanding? Maintaining the temperature is very, very important in the preparation of plaster of Paris. Next uses, what is the use? Someone said something. Tell, no problem. So for making the molds for toys,
Sir, if
pottery, ceramics,
sir,
So making smooth surfaces.
for making the smooth surfaces. Next, for making statues, models, and other decorative materials. Next, carbon as a fireproofing material. But when we go to the doctor during the bone fracture, he'll apply one white color, what you will say, band, white color thing, right? Wherever the fracture has happened. What is it?
Sir, that prevents.
In Telugu, there is a cement putty, will say, right? Next, any other? What you say in Hindi people? There is Kavya. Kavya, are you there?
Sir,
What is that Hindi word?
sir, your voice is breaking for me. Sorry, sir.
So if you have any
Sir, I
bone
can't hear
fracture
you.
is happening now, the doctor will apply some white color bandage thing, right? It's not bandage completely, it's like a solid.
Sir, on the plaster of Paris.
Plaster of Paris, I know, man. I'm asking in Hindi, what is that word? Okay, leave about that. Suppose if you have any bone fractured, and if you go for the doctor, so to avoid any displacement of the bone, he will apply one white color cotton layer. So first he will dip into the water so that it will become hard solid after 5 or 10 minutes. That is also a plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, they will dip it into the water and they'll apply on the bandage. So it will form into the gypsum again. Okay, so these are the uses for the plaster of Paris.
sir,
Yeah,
And in India, plaster of Paris is mostly used for making idols.
idols, Vinayaka idols they will use,
Of
right,
course.
mostly.
yes, sir.
Tell any doubts?
Sir, if the temperature is less than 100 sir,
Less
if the
than 100.
temperature is less than 100 degrees Celsius, one water molecule will be forming, sir.
Yeah, one
Or
water molecule will be formed, so it will not form the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris means only half water molecule should be there in the compound with calcium sulfate.
so if it is more than 100 degrees
More than
Celsius,
100, na complete water molecule will lose, right?
yes, sir.
Everyone copy. Finished.
Yes, sir.
Next one is the water of crystallization. This will write the definition today, and remaining topics we'll discuss in next class. Okay.
Okay.
Water of crystallization. Anybody can tell the definition part? It is a fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. So it is a fixed number of water molecules present in the one formula unit of the salt, that is called as water of crystallization. So example, gypsum. How many water molecules are there?
2.
So what is the water of crystallization?
2.
2.
Washing soda?
10.
Then what is the water of crystallization?
10.
Copper sulfate?
5.
Like this. So how many water molecules are attached to the one formula unit of the salt? It should be one only. One formula unit of the salt, that is the water of crystallization.
For Epsom, sir, is it 3 or 7?
7. MgSO4 7H2. Epsom salt. So this is 7. Okay. So due to this water of crystallization only, the salt will get the colors. If there is no water molecule with the salt, there will be no color at all for the salt. It will be colorless. Understanding? If you take the CuSO4, what is the color of the CuSO4? What is the color of CuSO4?
The CuHO4.
CuSO4.
Blue.
Sir, I think blue.
Blue. What is the common name?
Copper sulfate.
Blue vitriol. The common name of CuSO4 is the blue.
Green vitriol is FeSO4.7H2, right?
FeSO4 2H2.
It's 2.
2, I think so. Yeah.
Sir, no, sir, it's 7 only. FeSO4 not 7H2.
Yeah, sir.
Green vitriol.
Green vitriol.
Yes, sir.